My name's Robert Simpson and I've got Ripple Wu with me here today. We're from the team at McGrath Box Hill.
We're excited to show you a neat new home in central Blackburn. Can't wait to show you.
Well, here we are in the heart of the home, soaring high ceilings, designer kitchen, meals and living space as well, sprawling out to the outside entertaining space.
Upstairs, you'll find 3 oversized bedrooms, all with walk-in robes, and 2 of them with full ensuite. You also will be impressed with a retreat in the center. The attention to detail with workmanship and quality fittings, I'm sure will impress many of your family members.
It's such a great home in an even better location with all your wants and needs, schools, shops and transportation. Just a hop, skip and a jump away. We look forward to welcoming you at an inspection soon.